Hello everyone, on this video we are going to explain what is Google Tag Manager and why it's so useful for digital marketers. Also, at the end of this video as an example, I will install Google Analytics using just Google Tag Manager in less than 30 seconds. Let's go! What's up, Javier here and welcome to Everlearn Tutorials, the best way to become a digital expert. So, what is Google Tag Manager? Put it on simple words, as a marketer, you need to install different marketing pixels for tracking things like AdWords conversion, code that will send your conversion to AdWords, like remarketing tags for target your visitors, or like Google Analytics itself. Google Tag Manager helps you to install all of those marketing pixels through tags in an easy, fast, and structured way. Basically, each marketing pixel will be a tag, and Google Tag Manager will put that tag on your website, and that tag will send the data to each platform. For this to work, Google Tag Manager needs to be installed on your website on every single page. I will create a video explaining how to do this, but I will leave now in the description the official documentation on how to do it as well. So why so useful? Well, two reasons. Reason number one, freedom. With Google Tag Manager, the marketing team can install tags and publish them without asking the IT team. You don't need to deploy your app every single time. Just create a tag in Google Tag Manager and publish. In seconds it will be live on your website. And going back is as easy as well. Reason number two is change history. Before Google Tag Manager, people installed their pixels hard-coded on their website. So imagine that. A marketing specialist installed, for example, 10 different pixels, and then he leaves the company. The information about which pixels are installed, where they triggered, and what is the purpose of every one of them is completely lost. With Google Tag Manager, we have a list of every tag installed, where they are triggered, and what type of tags they are. It's very useful. As an example, let's install Google Analytics tag in less than 30 seconds with Google Tag Manager. I will upload a video explaining in detail how to install Google Analytics and all the options available, but for now, just a quick installation with their default options. First, you need to create a Google Analytics account and obtain the ID of the property. Then go to Google Tag Manager, Tags, and create a new tag. Select Universal Analytics tag, paste the ID and leave the page view option. The trigger will be all pages because we want to track every page on the website. Save, publish, and done. Congratulations, you have installed Google Analytics in 30 seconds. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you have any questions or constructive opinion, leave it on the comments. See you on the next video of Everlearn Tutorials. Bye.